Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your kit to Brazil home or away kit on DLS 2023. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you can see that I'm on the home page of DLS 23. Now at the bottom part there are four options like challenges, team, transfers and my club. Click on my club. Now there are two options, customize and training. Click on the customize option. Now you can see that there is a button at the bottom left corner that is custom kit. Click on that. Here it is. You have to just enter the kit URL. So go to your Chrome browser or any other browser you have and search for valid Brazil kit for DLS 2023. Now at the fourth option you'll be able to see ggshop.io. Click on that link. This is actually valid. I have already tried it. Now you can see all the home kit and away kit from here. Just let me download the home kit. So you can see the URL is given here. You have to just click on the copy button and the URL has been copied. Now go to the DLS application again. Now you have to just paste this URL, click done, and from the bottom right corner click on the confirm. You can see that downloading. You have to wait until it is downloaded. You can see that the image successfully downloaded. Click OK. Here it is. The kit has been changed to Brazil home kit. So that's how easily you can change your kit to Brazil home kit or away kit. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.